About 2009 Hiace here, we did the timing belt replacement. So I'm going to navigate through how to reset the timing belt warning light on the dash. Just go through the settings, guys. It's very easy. So as you can see, first thing first, you're going to navigate through to odometer, which is, you see the kilometers, and leave it odometer and turn off and hold the trip meter button for about 10 seconds. And after about 10 seconds, turn on the ignition again and hold it about another 10 seconds. And press and release once. And then you will see number 10 or 15. So each number shows 10,000 kilometers. So since we do the aftermarket timing belt, you get to press 10 times, and 10th time you press and hold. If you do the genuine timing belt, you can go like 15 times. As you saw, that's been reset. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments. How did this help?